Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. In last class we are solving problem from base theorem. So few more questions left in base theorem. We will complete that first, then we will move to the next topic called random variable. So today's first base theorem problem is as follows. Remember in this work very important task is understanding the statement. In statement artha agilla antadre definitely you cannot solve base theorem problem. So what is the statement here? There are three coins. Remember there are three coins. One is two-headed coin and ಎರಡು ಸೈಡು ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ. Another is biased coin. Biased coin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Like we don't know exactly what is the change, but something has happened. Maybe tail ಇದನ್ನ head ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, head ಅನ್ನ tail ಅಂತ. Something has happened, okay, to that coin. Now what is given about that? In that biased coin, 75% of the time you will get a head. And the 3/4 of chance of getting head only, 1/4 chance is for tail. Okay, third coin is unbiased coin. And there is no change in normal coin, head tail coin. Okay, unbiased coin. One of the three coin is chosen at random. And one out of three, one coin will be chosen at a time. Okay, and toss, you know what it is. So it shows head. And when you select a coin from these three, and after that, when you toss, the A event is okay. Coin shows head. What is the probability that it was two-headed coin? Okay, what is the probability that it was two-headed coin? And the probability of E1 bar is an E1 and E1 bar A. So what is E1, E2, E3? Selected coin. Okay, first one, selected coin is two-headed coin. Selected coin is biased coin. Selected coin is unbiased coin. And A is nothing but coin shows head. Coin shows head. Head occurs. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಈ 4 ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ. ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ to find probability of E1 bar A bar E1 or E1 bar A, sorry, E1 bar A andre shows head under the condition is it was two-headed coin. So we are going to find out probability of E1 bar A. For that you need probability of E1, probability of E2, probability of E3, probability of A bar E1, probability of A bar E2, probability of A bar E3. So after that we are using base theorem and substitute, simplify. So after this the task is very simple. Nimge important question method gotaitalva, important work ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, E1, E2, E3, A bar E1, A bar E2, A bar E3 ಬರೆಯೋದು, then work will be easy. Yeah, so what is the probability of E1? Out of 3, one coin is selected, and 1/3. Probability of E2 1/3. Probability of E3 is also 1/3 because all the events are same, simultaneous. Okay, same event. Okay, equally likely events. Equally like these events are known as equally likely events. Next ಏನು ಬೇಕು? probability of A bar E1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ coin shows head as well as it is two-sided coin. ಅಂದ್ರೆ sure event, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ, so coin shows head, it is sure event, so it's nothing but 1. probability of A bar E2 an biased coin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3/4 times of 3/4 times it shows head, so the probability of A bar E2 is nothing but 3/4. Next, probability of A bar E3 unbiased. Okay, it's simple, one side head, one side tail ಆದ್ರೆ so probability of getting head is nothing but half chance of 1/2. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿರೋದು? probability of E1 bar A. probability of E1 bar A. So formula I hope you remember from the base theorem. So already maybe solved more than 10 problems, so and each in problem you wrote the formula, so writing the formula it's never difficult here. So I hope you know this expression, so I'll not read again. This expression is okay, very important. Without writing this, don't write the answer, remember that. After that, what? Substituting these 6 values, 3 plus 3, 6 values. So I hope you can do that, right? I'll just show you the numbers, and I'm not going to explain it because already so many times it is explained. Getting LCM simplification is not new for you. You will definitely complete it. So substitute it properly. That is important thing. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು one number ಆಚೆ ಆದ್ರೂ you are going to lose marks. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರೆಯೋ ಬದಲು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು one number, ಈ 1 ಬರೆಯೋ ಬದಲು ಅಥವಾ 1/3 ಏನೋ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ full work is wrong. Remember that you make it for 1 mark because this is nothing but what is given. You didn't write anything new. So substitute ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ careful ಆಗಿರಿ. This is another important work. If you not do the substitution properly, you simply lose 2 marks. Okay, so substitute properly as well as the simplification until you get the right answer. Your work is not done. Please remember that until you get the right answer, you will get the answer. But if it is not right, again you are going to lose 1 mark. So your work will complete when you get the right answer. But remember, you don't have any method to verify whether your answer is right or wrong. Whatever in exam ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4/9 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. LCM ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. So I hope everyone understood what I mean by base theorem and why it is required and how to solve problem from base theorem. Why I am giving more important to this exercise, okay, you know already that one sure question, 100% sure question you will get in exam for 3 marks, and even question number is also fixed, 38. Please remember that 38th question will be from base theorem only. For that one sure question you are going to learn around 10 to 12 problems. 12 problems antu kalile bekagate minimum. Please remember that. So, okay, yeah, one more question I am taking. This is asked in the previous year exam for 3 marks in base theorem. Simple direct question. Listen carefully. An insurance company insured 2,000 scooters drivers, 4,000 car drivers, 6,000 truck drivers. Probability of an accident is 0.01, 0.03, 0.015 respectively. Artha aita statement simple ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. One of the insured person met with an accident. ಅದು ಕಾರ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಡ್ರೈವರು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್? ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್. ಸೊ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. Okay, what is the events? How to write the events? Can you tell me? Selected driver is a scooter driver, alva. Even he is a scooter driver. Selected driver is a car driver. Same. One event further, but remaining the things are simple. He is a truck driver. What is event A? Where you will get event A? The selected scooter driver met with an accident. Accident occurs. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಸೊ ಇದು ಬರೀಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. You must be able to write probability of E1, probability of E2, probability of E3, as well as probability of A bar E1, A bar E2, A bar E3. Tell me quickly here itself. Then I will show you, okay, the answers and you can check. What is the probability of E1? The selected driver is a scooter driver. Each scooter driver is at 2,000. 2,000 by what? How many total drivers are there? How many drivers are selected by the insurance company? 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000 and 12,000. So probability of E1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2,000 by 12,000. So 3 zeros cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 by 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 6. So what is the probability of E1? 1 by 6. I'll show you answer in the next slide, but you join with me to answer it. You practice with me to get the probability of E1, E2, E3. Can you tell me what is the probability of E2? Now you understand, right, how to write the probability. 4,000 by 12,000 and then 1 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Probability of E3 6,000 by 12,000 and 1 by 2. Next work is important. What is the probability of A bar E1? See, nothing is had to find out here. Even these numbers also given directly. What is the probability of A bar E1? 0.01. Probability of A bar E2 0.03. Probability of E3 0.015. So even that 3 numbers also given. So all the 6 number is very easy to now decide. And what is asked actually? The selected probability of that he is a scooter driver, and the probability of E1 bar A. Probability of E1 bar A. Okay, we will do one thing. I thought I'll show you the answer, but no. You are going to complete this. Okay, you are going to complete this remaining part. I explained everything. Only you have to write the formula for base theorem and substitute and simplify. This question is asked once in final exam. Please be careful. Okay, important question, easy question. Remember, idko example bandre 3 marks ge simple, very simple question. So I hope you can complete this. Okay, I gave all the numbers. Only your work is to substitute. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆದು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಇಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Suppose a girl throws a die. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times and note the numbers of heads. See, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ. And to write even events and other thing is not very easy. So little difficult. So I selected this question to discuss again. Otherwise, base theorem is already done so many. So again, repetition is not required. But still, some question maybe you require help, okay, from the teacher. So you may not be able to understand yourself. For that reason, this one and one more problem I'm taking. Suppose a girl throws a die. If she gets 5 or 6 in a die, she tosses a coin 3 times and note the number of heads. If she get 1 2 3 4, she tosses a coin, and only once, okay, she will toss a coin and note whether the head or tail is obtained. If she obtained exactly one head, what is the probability that she throws 1 2 3 4 with the die? Tell me what is the event 1. Yeah, she get 5 or 6 when she throws a die. So even andre no getting 5 or 6 on the die. So if 5 and even is getting 5 or 6 in a die, what is E2? Getting 1 2 3 4 in a die, right? So getting 1 2 3 or 4. So what is A? If she obtain exactly one head, ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗಂತೂ 100% you must be able to decide. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ, ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ನಾವ್? ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಶೋವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ PPT, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ P of E1, P of E2, P of A bar E1, P of A bar E2, and you should tell me what is required, because already 10-12 problems solved, remember that. So now you are definitely eligible to answer this. Tell me what is the probability of E1 getting 5 or 6, 2 by, tell me what is the outcome? 6 alva, 2 by 6 and 1 by 3, correct alva? We will check once. I'll show you the answer whether it's right or wrong. Probability of E1 2 by 6, exactly right. So answer is 1 by 3. So answer is for the first one is right. Next, what is the probability of E2? Read the question and tell me what is the probability of E2. If she gets 1 2 3 4, she tosses a coin. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು? ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ 1 2 3 4. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಡೈ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 1 2 3 4? 4 by 6, exactly 4 by 6. So let me check whether your answer is right or wrong. So answer is yeah, okay, that is next one. 4 by 6 andre 2 by 3, so absolutely right. Next, okay, I'll continue from here. What is probability of A bar E1? Probability of A bar obtain exactly one head when she gets 5 or 6. If she gets 5 or 6 on the die, what she will do? Actually what she did, tossing a coin 3 times, and note down the number of heads. So what is the probability of A bar E1 obtains exactly one head when she gets 5 or 6? 5 or 6 ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು 3 ಸಲ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್? ಟ್ರಿಬಲ್ H, HT, right? ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So how many outcomes are favorable to that obtain exactly one head? TTH, right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? TTH, HTT, right? So anything else? No, one more is there, right? THT is also there. So 3 outcomes are favorable to A bar E1. Total number of outcomes, 8. Actually HHT, I hope you know that number. So it is 8, 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, so ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಂತೇಳಿ, she get 5 or 6 and obtain exactly one head. So when she get 5 or 6, she will throw a coin 3 times, remember that. Probability of E2, I had already told, 4 by 6 and 2 by 3. Next one, A bar E2, when she get 1 2 3 4, she will toss a coin only once and number of head will be noted. So getting exactly one head ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರೋದು? TH and HT. 2 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2. 2 by 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. 2 outcome HT and TH. Total number of outcome is 4. So 2 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ 4 ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ exam. What is the probability that she throws 1 2 3 4 with the die? Andre probability of E2 bar A. What is required? Probability of E2 bar A. Probability of E2 bar A is required. Formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Substitute ಮಾಡಿ, simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so remaining work is yours. Formula ಬರೀದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So substitute, simple work, very simple problem, but understanding is very important. Question ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ definitely you can't start anything, so you'll not get any marks. So answer is 1 by 3 into 24 by 11, so 8 by 11 or 0.727. The decimal form compulsory illa, 8 by 11 anta bardru you will get the marks. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ, PPT ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ಓಕೆ again play the video and check whether you are getting right answer or not. Every time you should do this because ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಥರ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ 1 mark. So please check every time whether you are getting right answer in simplification. So what you should do, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, simplify yourself. Once you get some answer then play again and check whether you are getting right answer. I hope you understood what I am telling. Yes, now I'm moving to the next question. Again it is from the base theorem, again little complicated compared to the simple basic problems of base theorem. So okay, maybe this is the last question from base theorem. After that I'm moving to the next topic. So this is last chance to learn the base theorem, so listen carefully. A card from a pack of 52 cards is lost. Andre one card, 52 card alli one card okay missing. From the remaining cards 2 cards are drawn. Andre 52 alli 1 miss adre how many remaining? 51. 51 cards alli we are going to select 2 cards out of it, and it's found to be both diamonds. Diamond andre original diamond alli diamond suit. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, both selected cards are diamonds. How many diamond cards are there? 13. Out of 13 selected, both cards are diamond. Find the probability that lost card being diamond. Find the probability that the lost card, okay, one card select ಮಾಡಿದೆ out of 52, so we have to check okay it's probability of the lost card being a diamond. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? Observe carefully now. Here the important thing is what is E1 E2 and probability of A bar E1, probability of A bar E2 ಬರೀ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Can you tell me what is E1? Selected lost card is diamond. The lost cards ಇಲ್ಲಿ select ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ lost ಆಗೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ by mistake one card will be missing out of 52 cards. The lost card is lost card is diamond. So E2 should be the complement of this, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, the lost card is not diamond. So one card lost ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು diamond ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ next it may be other than diamond card. Okay, so E1 E2 are like this. What is A? A will be both cards see found to be both diamonds. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 cards drawn are diamonds. So tell me what is the probability of E1? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? We will explain that with the numbers in the next slide. So I hope you understood how to write E1 E2 and A. Yes, fine. Yeah, probability of E1, the lost card is diamond. The lost card is diamond. So total ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ? ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ 13. ಸೊ 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 52. ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್. 13 by 52 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 52 ಅಲ್ಲ, 113 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇವರೇಬಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ E1 ಈಸ್ 13 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 13 ಡೈಮಂಡ್, ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಆರ್ 13 ಫೇವರೇಬಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಈಸ್ 52, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 13 by 52, 1/4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? probability of E2, okay. Probability of A bar E1, we will try probability of E2 later. Probability of A bar E1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cards drawn are diamonds and lost card is also diamond. So one card loss ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 51, 12 diamonds. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2 cards select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ how to select 2 diamonds from the 12? You learn in combination 12C2. So total number of cards is 51. 52 and how many cards you have to select? 2. So 51C2. I hope you know this combination, this concept, because you learned this in combination last year. So simplification you can do it. The 12 into 12 into 11 by 2 into 1 by 51 into 50 by 2 into 1. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 66 by 1 to 7275 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So check ಮಾಡಿ. I hope you know NCR formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial. Can you tell me what is the probability of E2? The lost card is not diamond. 39 by 52. Why 39? See, out of 52, okay, 13 cards are diamond. Remaining all are not diamond. And 39 cards are not diamond. So selected lost card is not diamond, and 39 favorable outcomes are there. Total again 52. Okay, so it is 3/4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 minus 1/4 ಮಾಡಿ 3/4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ E1 E2 are the complement each other. So probability of E2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ selected 2 cards are diamond and lost card is not diamond. Lost card is not diamond. So what is the numerator? 2 cards are drawn out of 13 only, because the last card is not diamond. 13 C2. Again 52, 51 C2. Okay, 51 C2. That favorable outcome never change. So 51 total number of outcome never change. So 51 C2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what is us? Last card is diamond and 2 cards are drawn. So probability of E1 bar A. Next work is simple. Write the formula. Substitute. So this I can show you quickly. So substitute properly. So now you can use a calculator. If you find difficult to simplify this, you write this in a decimal form, then multiply. You will find easy, because calculator is allowed now, so you can manage easily if you write in decimal form. So okay. So I hope you can complete this. I will not show you the remaining answer. You have to complete the textbook. Textbook key answers nodi check ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. So I hope you understood. Remaining work is for you as a homework. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಯಾ. So base theorem is over. I'm moving to the next topic known as random variable. Random variable, simple topic, very simple topic. 1 or 2 marks question ಬರುತ್ತೆ, like conditional independent events ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ತರದ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. So there are 3 concepts here. So I will explain all the theory first, and then I will take the problem from exercise. Okay, theory is very small theory part. Okay, I will take it now in the beginning itself. Okay, so random variable andre gottidalva, the term or the quantity which changes. So I'll give the statement first. A random variable is a real valued function and from R to R. Domain is sample space, and codomain will be some range tarane one barata, one set of numbers barate. Okay, real number. Sample space to real number, f from sample space to real number atara define ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. A random variable is a real valued function whose domain is a sample space of a random experiment. Domain is a sample space of a random experiment. Okay, I know just from this sentence you will not understand anything. Okay, that is a fact, nothing to worry. I'll try to define again in another way, then I will give you the example. It is a variable which assumes real value associated with the sample points of the sample space. Still now I know you didn't understand anything. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಏನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೂಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಥಿಯರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ and you will understand both these two statements. Remember, random variable is nothing but a set of all real number, or it is a function from sample space to real number. Okay, it's a real valued function. You know what I mean by real valued function, you studied that in first PUC. Okay, so I'll take one example. Observe carefully. One example and then break first to random experiment break. So consider a random experiment of tossing a coin 2 times. Okay, then what is the sample space? Sample space, you know, HT. Alva is the sample space. Now let random variable x denote the number of heads obtained. Let x denote the number, one capital X, set is a set actually, so we are using the capital X. Let x denote the number of heads obtained. Number of heads obtained. So h tagondre, okay, then x is there. Okay, then okay, that I'll show you what is that number first. Next, okay, so x denote the number of heads obtained. Then x is known as random variable, and for each outcome its value is given below. X is known as random variable. Random variable andre no is a set of all numbers and it contains real numbers. The random variable is a real valued function whose domain is a sample space. Definitely this x is the definitely you can write the outcome for this, or the result of x, the sample point of this is definitely from the sample space. Okay, now I'll show you what is x and what do you mean by random variable of a random experiment. So x denotes what? Number of heads. Idu gottillebekku to write the values or the elements of the x. Number of heads obtained. tt ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ? 0 head. So first value is 0. th ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ? 1. htl ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ? 1. So next is 1. HHL ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಇದೆ? 2. Why 3, 4, 5 are not there? Are you getting any sample point where the number of head is 3, number of head is 4, number of head is 5? No. And are you getting anywhere in the sample point where the number of head is -1, number of head is 0, number of head is 10? 0 is possible. Number of head is -2? No, not possible. So negative baro chance illa. And for this random experiment, for this random variable, the outcomes are 0, 1, 2. 0 head TT, 1 head TH and HT, 2 HH, 2 head. So this is known as random variable of this random experiment. So this is a real valued set, a real valued function, outcomes, range ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ ಕರೀರಿ. Okay, it's a one set of elements which represent number of something, head or tail. Suppose if we consider x as a number of tail, ಇದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? If I consider x as denote the number of tail, same as 0, 1, 2. So that is also one more random variable of the random experiment. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? So we will discuss few more problems of random experiment, but not now. Okay, after a few more concepts is over. I told in the beginning I'll take all the three concepts together, then we will discuss the problems. Okay. So one more concept is there related to random experiment. It is known as probability distribution. So again I'll define first, then I'll take some example. You will understand immediately, nothing to worry. The representation of a random variable and their corresponding probabilities. Representation of the random variable and their corresponding probability is known as probability distribution. ಈಗ previous example ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ random variable is x, denote the number of heads, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? What is the probability of getting 0 head? 1 by 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1 TT, 1 by 4. What is the probability of getting 1 head? 2 by 4, because TH and HT. Probability of getting 2 head? 1 by 4. So writing the variable and below its probability is known as probability distribution. Problem bandaga artha agate. The representation of the random variable and their corresponding probability is known as probability distribution. Now remember here two important concepts related to this. First one, probabilities of each random variable. Probability of each random variable must be always greater than 0. You know, probability cannot be negative, probability cannot be 0 possibility there, probability cannot be negative. So probability of all the random variable must be greater than 0, and sum of all such probability must be is equal to 1. Remember, please remember, this is very important. Probability of each random variable should be greater than or equal to 0. It's a fact from the definition of probability, and as well as this is also a fact from the definition of probability. The sum of all such probability is equal to always 1, is always equal to 1. Correct? So artha aitha what do you mean by probability distribution? We will take some examples. Don't worry, you will understand exactly what do you mean by probability distribution in problem part. So before moving to the problem part, I'm giving few more information even okay in that exercise, next coming exercise, even the next three concept is also used. So idan you statistics and kaltirtire, so in lower class, so same thing, observe carefully. And heading is mean, variance and standard deviation. You start in kaltare exactly same, so you will understand easily. Proof ella kodala, formulas kodtane because you know about it. The mean of the probability distribution table beko, probability distribution which known as expectation of x is given by. The mean of the probability distribution is known as expectation. The problem ella madada clear ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, nothing to worry. Okay, is given by E of x is equal to mean ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Add all the numbers divided by the total number ಅಲ್ವಾ? So summation xi into pi or x into px, okay? E of x square summation x into px, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, x into px find out ಮಾಡೋದು. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ random variable, p of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ its probability. So if this is E of x, what is E of x square? Summation x square into p of x square ಅಲ್ವಾ? Probability of x, ಅಲ್ಲಿ x square ಇಲ್ಲ, probability of x. So what is the variance from definition? One define ಮಾಡಿದೆ, what do you mean by mean? I mean giving the another definition, variance formula. Remember ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೋ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, E of x square minus E of x whole square. Standard deviation, you know, square root of variance. Square root of variance is nothing but standard deviation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? So remember here, what do you mean by mean or expectation? Find the expectation of the probability distribution. Very simple problem. X ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, p of x, sometimes it will be given or you can find out easily, nothing to worry. Then write one more column for x into p of ಎಲ್ಲ number and add ಮಾಡಿ formula use ಮಾಡಿ you will get the expectation or the mean. After getting expectation, this is very easy to find out. Write one more column x square p of x number and find out ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ how to get the variance. Once you get a variance you take the square root of it, you will get standard deviation. So formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, problem part will be very simple. This is not very important, but entrance exam point of view ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಇದೆಲ್ಲನು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ random variable, probability distribution as well as mean, variance and standard deviation, everything I will explain in problem part. Understood what I am telling? So problems and the remaining part of this probability will be discussed in next class. Thank you.